Hi, Jeff and IPAM. My name is Dr. Sarah Doolin-Thompson. I'm from Owensboro, Kentucky, at Sublime Skin and Wesleyan Medical Practice. I just wanted to say thank you so much for the experience at the IPAM conference. Wow, what an amazing event. I literally learned so much, and I have so many resources, so many contacts. I am forever grateful for this experience. Literally, the only thing that I wish I had done differently was come sooner, because it would have saved me thousands of dollars and time and effort. You gave me so many pointers, so many tips on how to be successful in the future. I will forever be grateful for this opportunity, and I'm so proud to be a member of IPAM and the alumni.